The weather forecast said it will be sunny tomorrow. Yay, let's go to the beach. A brief guide to the future tense using will. The goals for this video are for you to learn about the word will, to look at how it is used in some practice sentences, to examine contractions using pronouns and will, and to practice pronunciation. One way to talk about the future is to use the word will. To use will, we put it before the base form of the verb. The verb doesn't need any other changes. So be careful when you're going from the simple present tense to the future tense, we don't add an S to the verb. Let's practice pronunciation. I'll say a sentence, then you repeat it. I will work tomorrow. You will work tomorrow. He will work tomorrow. She will work tomorrow. It will work tomorrow. We will work tomorrow. You will work tomorrow. They will work tomorrow. You can replace the pronoun with names or other nouns. For example, instead of saying he will work tomorrow, we can put in the man's name. Repeat, Charles will work tomorrow. Instead of saying they will have dinner with friends this weekend, we can put in their names. Repeat, Maria and Sam will have dinner with friends this weekend. Instead of names, we can use the name of a group of people, like class. Repeat, our class will do a science experiment. We can also use a person's role as the noun. For example, the teacher. Repeat, the teacher will grade our papers. Or we can use the names of objects, such as airplane. Repeat, the plane will arrive late. We can make contractions with pronouns and will, as you see in this chart. Let's practice pronouncing these. I'll say a sentence, then you repeat it. Listen carefully to the pronunciation of the contraction. I'll work tomorrow. You'll work tomorrow. He'll work tomorrow. She'll work tomorrow. It'll work tomorrow. We'll work tomorrow. You'll work tomorrow. They'll work tomorrow. So let's look at some examples. If you go into a restaurant or coffee shop, the person at the counter might say, I'll be with you in a moment. Repeat, I'll be with you in a moment. Or when you're leaving, you might say to someone, I'll be back tomorrow. Repeat, I'll be back tomorrow. Or you could say, I'll see you tomorrow. Repeat, I'll see you tomorrow. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.